Hi guys, I'm Komal from IIFL and here is the market roundup. Sensex today ended 447 points higher at 50,297 while Nifty rose 157 points to settle at 14,919. Nifty Bank gains 124 points to 35,420 and Midcap Index 402 points to 24,087. 41 Nifty stocks closed higher. Tata Motors, M&M, Hero Motor were the top gainers. On the Nifty 50 index, Tata Motors, M&M, Wipro, Adani Ports and Hero Motor were the top gainers, while ONGC, HDFC, Dr. Reddy's, Power Grid and Coal India led the losses. In other news, Adani Ports surges 4% on after Sri Lanka cabinet approves its West Terminal. Bharti Airtel closes 2% higher on company's 18,700 crore spectrum acquisition in the auction. BPCL moves 3% higher on boards not for Numaligarh stake sale. That's the market roundup for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel IIFL Markets for regular market updates.